Good morning, everybody. We have Emily eating a croissant. Croissant. And we have Grayson.
Kurt Cobain.
Kurt Cobain, not Charlie Booth. We're going to come to a curb. I'm going to tell him, here we go, he's slowing me down. Curb. He puts his front 2 feet on. Push down very, very lightly. Come on, little tactic feet. Forward. And we go. We have one more lap and then we're going to get Em to come with us. This dog is gay. There's Grayson. Hi, baby. And this is our hotel room. In the hotel room, Grayson provided pressure like this, and let me love him like this. For this, imagine a lot of screaming and a lot of dog. We made it through the nightmare that is security with Tourette's. And now Grayson is sitting. And we are getting food. $10 billion. Holy hell! Pizza. Nervous dog. Nervous human. Ooh. Pizza corpse. Ooh. For my next talent, I will have a panic. Damien, bro, I'm trying to edit a video. I will have a sensory meltdown. So, welcome to the hell I never knew I had. It's really not important, but essentially what happened was I was standing in a Brookstone and they had the frozen food aisle and it just started humming. The fridge started humming and I wanted to die and crawl out of my skin. I felt like I was on fire. So I left Emily and had several neurological breakdowns, and thank God for Grayson, the dog. And then, of course, Emily came back, but I still wasn't doing great.
Grayson's giving pressure.
She doesn't watch this channel.
Grayson.
Grayson. Hi, Grayson. So he's just chilling in Cedar Rapids. This dog's a liberal. I give you a thumbs up if you get the reference. Good sit. Took a picture. Good find your mat. Took a picture of him earlier and you can see how massive he is. I'll include it now. It was then time for Grayson to get on the plane. And nothing went wrong. He just kind of did this and looked frozen. He looks dead. Grayson.